Guys, today we are making Bhaji of Puri. For that we want red chili powder, garam masala, salt, onion, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, tomato, and peas, potato, cauliflower boiled. Now we should put oil. Now we should put onion. Stir it. Wait for when it will turn red. Now it turned red and we should put tomato. Stir it. Now we should put haldi. Now we should add ginger garlic paste and stir it. Add red chili powder, garam masala, salt. Stir it. Stir it for 2 minutes. Now we should put boiled potato, peas and cauliflower. Stir it. Now we should add water and stir it. Add water as for your need. Then wait for 10 minutes. Then add the coriander leaves. Stir it. Now Bhaji is ready with Puri.